Good morning, kids. Today we have our new topic. Are you ready? Great. Let us begin. For today, we're going to study about community places. One more time. Community places. The different places in our community. Are you ready? Great. Let us begin. First, we have hospital. Hospital. This is a hospital. What do you do in the hospital? Or what can we see in the hospital? So, we can see sick people getting treated in the hospital. The doctor treats the sick people in the hospital. Can you read it one more time? Hospital. Hospital. Great job. Next, we have school. School. So this is a school. Children goes to school to study and learn. Do you go to school? Yes, of course, you go to school. Soon we will go to school. All right? School. Next, we have supermarket. Supermarket. This is a supermarket. We buy the things in supermarket like food, groceries, and many more. So, this is a supermarket. Can you say it one more time? Supermarket. Great job. And we have also bank. Bank. This is a bank. The bank is where we save or put our money. Bank. Bank. Do you save money too? Yes. Okay, very good. We need to save money for emergency. Great job. So these are the different community place. Again, bank, bank, supermarket, supermarket, school, school, hospital, hospital. Great job. Okay, now let us speak. So I'm going to ask you, what is it? You will answer. Are you ready? Okay, listen carefully. I will ask you, what is it? And then you will say, it's a bank. 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 Okay, great job. Are you ready? Okay, what is it? What is it? It's a bank. Now, one more time. What is it? Great. Another one. What is it? Follow. It's a supermarket. It's a supermarket. Can you do it one more time? Great. What is it? Good job. Now let us try one more time. What is it? It's a school. Again, it's a school. It's a school. Now it's your turn. What is it? Very good. You're doing great. And another one. What is it? It's a hospital. It's a hospital. One more time. What is it? Great job. See you again next time. Bye, kids.